So a lot of people, when they're doing lat pull downs and they do the eccentric, where they let the bar come back up, they stop around right here before they start the pull down again. But instead of stopping here, we can actually get a little bit more growth. What we can do is unlock our shoulders and let them rotate up towards the sky, right? This really stretches out the upper back and lat muscles. And then we pull down, okay? This extra stretch under load really allows these muscles to get a crazy eccentric contraction, which is super good for growth. But now when we pull down, we pull to the upper chest, make sure our chest is proud, and then we have a nice slow eccentric. Let those shoulders round up forward, where our shoulders are like pretty much touching my ears before we start the pull down again. Okay, so the tempo should look like this.